My name is Jason Butler. I'm an artist. I focus on metalwork. I do a pretty big variety of work. Architectural projects, public art, even building sculptures for other artists. Probably 12 years ago I got into trail running. I think started out kind of as like a midlife crisis. So started races and ultra marathons and things like that, and it's a great community. I got involved with the Arizona Trail. They reached out to me as a member of the trail community, wanting to have some finisher belt buckles for anyone that thru hikes the whole Arizona Trail as a memento of their experience. The Stagecoach Ultra Marathon is a race that is on the Arizona Trail, and they were looking to have a buckle made locally. So I do probably a couple thousand buckles per year for, a handful of different races. The buckle ties into rodeo, and ultra marathons, some of them actually have a history that goes back to races on horses. And I really think it's so neat that these have become the finisher awards for 100-mile ultra marathons, as opposed to a medal. Each one has a different shape and finish and artistry. I get a flat sheet of copper and I have to cut out the shape. And then we actually heat the copper cool it down very slowly so that it's as soft as possible. We then take a die that's been laser engraved. So I often work with artists to come up with artwork for the buckle, and so we take that copper blank, put it over the top of the engraved die, and then squish it in a press to nearly 500 tons. And it works kind of like a stamp. We curve it, kind of sand the edges. We attach a buckle back, and then we patina the buckle. We use liver of sulfur, which is basically just a sulfur rock.
He's the real deal, bro.
So we heat the copper up and paint on this stinky juice, and it turns it black. I mean, as black as charcoal. And then with some abrasive pads, we're kind of buffing it so that the recesses stay dark and the highlights become polished. I like the fact that these look rustic, like they're of the trail. They've been beat up and distressed and have this history to them. It really is a cool community. It's just fun to share and be able to be part of the race in a way like this.